Hi, it's me, Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair. And I have been in my lab crafting up some new DIYs for you. It's been a minute since I've put out a new hair mask, hair conditioner, or hair shampoo for you to learn how to do it yourself. So now I got a really good one I'm so excited about. But here's the thing. I need some hair models. So if you live in the Atlanta area and are okay for me to actually video you, then please send me your information. I need a picture of you and your hair so that we can make sure that you got exactly what I'm looking for. Because this new DIY, you are going to love it. So you should see in the description box all the information that you need in order for you to submit your name and your information to be my new hair model.